Today then, I'm heading up this road, over a couple of passes and down into Death Valley. Death Valley is nearly 4,000 feet below my current altitude, but I've got to climb to get there. So, still a bit of work to do, and then some serious heat in the afternoon just to cope with. I'll see how I get on. And I'm on the banks, the shores even, of Lake Owen. There it is. That's the lake. Until 100 years ago, paddle steamers plied the lake. What's happened is that the water which flows down from the snows on the mountains up there no longer comes into the valley. It's all piped away, pumped around the bottom of the mountains and south and east to Los Angeles. "12 miles of descent now, then a bit more climbing before I descend into it properly. One valley to go." What a wonderful place. It's hot though. I'm about 2 or 3 miles from Furnace Creek, where I want to spend tonight. If I'm not, I'm in big trouble, because I ran out of water a couple of miles ago. I've never got through water this fast, but I was rationing it for about 5 or 10 miles before that. And now I'm dry, I'm really, really dry.